Hey, nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris. Got a question for you. What do you do when you use up all your beets in your pickled beets? You throw this away, right? Don't do that. I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful beet vinaigrette dressing. Okay, so you got your beet juice. Take some balsamic vinegar. Yes, a tablespoon. Shy, what are you trying to do? No, 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 no. Stop that. I tell you. All right. Take you some Italian seasoning, at least a tablespoon. Oh, what am I doing? You know I like spice. I'm putting at least a tablespoon and a half. All right. Some onion powder. Now this look, just regular Italian seasoning, okay? Onion powder. Okay. At least a tablespoon of honey. All right. Uh-oh. Some black pepper. Tablespoon olive oil. Do put a little salt. Now I'm using, of course, the light salt because once again, low sodium. You don't have to put the salt. I'm just putting a little bit. A very little bit. And that's what I mean. All right. Now, we put all the ingredients in. We take our top and we shake it up. Put this in your refrigerator overnight and you have a delicious beet vinaigrette. In fact, I'm going to have to taste something now because you know me. This is a winner. Now, if you want it a little thicker, put a little more honey in there. But trust me, this vinaigrette, over top of your salad is a winner. All right, quick one from Uncle Chris. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's here to save you money. Pass me around to your friends. All right.